Highness. You can't just say hello and expect us to get anywhere. I want you to testify. But Maya, you talk to her. Right, what do I say? Remember 2 days ago. Polly, have we forgotten something?
Don't forget DL6.
If I can get Polly to say that here, that'll prove that the caretaker had something to do with DL6. Polly, have we forgotten something?
Hello.
That's not what you're supposed to say! Forgot! Something we forgot!
Hello.
Uh-oh, it's not working, Nick. She won't say it. Okay, well, next best thing, I have another question. This is ridiculous. Why won't she say it?
Yes. Something the matter, Mr. Wright?
Wait. Don't tell me Von Karma expected this. He couldn't have retrained the parrot, could he? Did he train her to not respond if we asked if we'd forgotten anything? Well, I have another way. We say, what's the safe number? Because if she says the number of the safe is 1228, the date... Oh. Well, thanks for ruining the dramatic effect! The date of DL6 is 1228. Maybe I'll get her to say the number of that safe. Huh? The safe? Why? Let's just try to get her to say something, okay? Polly, what was the number of the safe in the shack?
288.
What? No, Polly, that's not...
Oh, sorry. What? 228. What? 228. Right, what a reckless parrot. No, Mr. Wright.
Yeah, it made it very easy for us to steal stuff from his safe.
You aren't claiming that the number has something to do with the caretaker.
Actually, it does. That's why I had her say it.
Huh, ridiculous. How can the number of the safe tell us who the caretaker is? Show us your proof. What could possibly link the number to the caretaker's true identity? The 6 case file? What is this obsession you have with that case? Mr. Wright, where in this file is the thing relating to the thing?
It's on the case summary page.
The case summary?
Specifically, the date on which the DL6 incident occurred.
The date of the incident, December 28th. Why, that's today's date, 15 years ago.
And the number on that safe is 1228.
Ah!
He used the date of the DL6 incident as the number for his safe, Your Honor. That's how important the date was to him.
I see. It certainly is an interesting clue. People often do set secret numbers to dates. Oh, I am a lamb again. Or sheep, I don't remember which. This is not tangible proof. It's my oh my goodness, he's saying his ATM cards.
Why are you? That's not a good idea.
I set my ATM's card number to 0001. Yes, I'm number 1.
Be right back. I need to go to get burgers. Definitely not to the ATM to steal all of his money.
Okay, Maya.
Okay. Actually, never mind. I'll go later. I'm too lazy to go.
It has nothing to do with the date. Nothing!
Wait, on an unrelated note, Mr. Von Karma, how much money exactly do you have in the,
I can't recall it.
Huh?
I can't recall at the moment.
Oh.
Why do you want to know?
No reason. I was just curious.
Sure.
Anyways.
Indeed. Alone, it is a little weak for evidence in a murder trial. We need some other carbon.
Yes. We need more carbon. Where am I going to find that? Nick, we're getting closer. One more. If we can just get one more piece of evidence. Right, but what? I think I might know.
Can you move it over? Very well. You may continue. Witness, you may continue.
Now, we ask Polly's name. And Polly will answer and say that her name is Polly, and then we show off the DL6 case file again. After his arrest, fiancée Polly Jenkins commits suicide. That's the other piece of evidence we need. Maybe I should get her to say her name. Polly, what's your name? Polly responds, Squad, you just asked. Or you just said it.
Polly! Ah! Mr. Wright, I think we established that the name of Parrot is Polly. Does this have anything to do with the owner's identity?
Yes, it does.
Ha! Fascinating. You claim that the parrot's name will prove the owner's identity. Then show us this proof.
Nick, don't you think you're taking the bluffing a little too far? Listen, we're not here to answer the question of who is the caretaker. We're here to prove he is Yanni Yogi. All we have to do is tie the name Polly to Yogi. Your Honor, The proof that the parrot... Ugh.
Definitely, no, the solution to what you're trying to do is simple. All you need is two pieces of paper, a pen, string, and a hole punch. And that's the answer. 5006 case file? That's quite a large file you have there. Which of the pages is the proof on then? Show us or stop wasting our time. Very well, Mr. Wright. Choose the page of the number that it says da.
Also, what do you mean it's such a large file? It's 3 pages! It's on the suspect data page. This page has all the information about Yanni Yogi. Right after he was arrested, his fiancée committed suicide, see?
Indeed, it does say that, yes.
What was his fiancée's name?
Holly Jenkins. Holly!
Exactly, Your Honor. He remembered the name of his fiancée who committed suicide. That's why he named his parrot after her.
I see. I guess that is possible. I once again are the lamb.
Yes, we get it. You're a lamb. Shut up.
I will never.
Ugh.
A mere coincidence, that's all. My granddaughter has a dog she calls Phoenix. Well, Mr. Wright. Does this make you my granddaughter's fiancé?
Hey, your granddaughter is going to be way too old for me. Perhaps your great-great-great-granddaughter.
Oh my goodness. She is only 7 years old.
Oh, that's,
That's enough!
Yeah, you're turning this into something it doesn't have to be.
Yeah, creepy.
Yeah.
I think we've reached a conclusion here. This is a mere coincidence, that's all. True, that is a possibility. However, 2 coincidences at the same time seems a bit more like a pattern to me. What are you saying? Summon the caretaker at the dog.
Of just the boat. Only one.
I'm okay. I'll just read the lines from down here.
What?
I kind of fell off my chair.
Oh.
And when I say kind of, I mean I did.
We will be right back. We are experiencing some
No, I'm fine.
difficulties. Oh, we'll still be right back. Okay, you can go.
Witness. Tell us your name. Wait. The witness doesn't remember.
No, it's okay. I've accomplished what I wanted to. I'm done. Nick, he looks totally different. This is the real Yogi, I think. Finally. Bleh, what? Hi, I just woke up. What happened?
You're lying?
What? Wait, what are we talking about? Wait, what happened to Yogi? He's been acting all feeble to hide his true identity. Acting for 15 years.
Well, let me ask you again. Please state your name for the court.
My name is Yanni Yogi. 15 years ago, I served as a bailiff in this very court.
Order! Yanni Yogi. So it was you who killed Robert Hamid and tried to frame it on Walil's juror for his death?
Yes, it was me. I did it. They put me on the witness stand 15 years ago. Robert Hammond, he said I was mentally unsound. He told me it would make me innocent. Get me off the hook. So, I pretended to have brain damage. I was innocent, really, but he didn't believe me. He won the trial, but I lost everything. I lost my job, my fiancé, my social standing. Then, this year, 15 years later, a package arrived. It was a letter and a pistol. The plan was written out in careful detail. The plan for me to get my revenge on the people who ruined my life. I didn't care who had sent it. I thought this was my chance after 15 years. This was it. Finally, a chance to have my revenge on Robert Hammond and Miles Edgeworth. I have no regrets.
Wait a moment. Revenge against Miles Edgeworth? What do you mean?
I'm not at liberty to speak on that matter. Why don't you ask Mr. Edgeworth yourself?
No!
Anyway, I admit it. I was the one who killed Robert Hammond. He didn't admit to Edgeworth, though.
Von Burma, where is Mr. Yogi? Under arrest, Your Honor. I saw no room for error in his confession. Then the defendant, Miles Edgeworth, is innocent, in this case at least. Very well. Will the defendant please take the stand? There are a few mysteries left unsolved. Still, you are cleared of suspicion for this particular case. So I would like to pass judgment on the murder of Robert Hammond. Any objections?
I don't believe it. Maya just objects. Randomly. Why isn't Mr. Von Karma saying anything?
Very well. This court finds the defendant, Mr. Miles Edgeworth, not guilty. Confetti. Yay. That is all. The court is adjourned. Did someone just say objection?
It wasn't me, Mr. Von Karma. Wait, what? Your Honor? But that means no. It wasn't me or Mr. Edgeworth? Your Honor, I object to your judgment.
Pause it for a second.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What do you mean?
I'm not innocent at all. As we have heard, Yanni Yogi killed Robert Hammond in revenge. Revenge for what? Nick! Edward is trying to confess. He's going to say he's guilty. He's going to tell them he was the murderer in the DL6 incident. He's going to tell them he killed his own dad. Uh-oh, what do I do? Let's at least try to stop him. He's not going to... Oh, no. That's not going to work, Phoenix. The judgment has already been passed. Yes, it had also already been passed when Larry... That was not... I object to Edward's outbursts. No, Phoenix!
Didn't something like this happen yesterday, too? I believe a certain witness raised an objection after a guilty verdict was passed.
That would be Larry.
We must hear this new statement. We must hear Miles Edgeworth. We have a duty to hear Miles Edgeworth out.
For 15 years, I've had a reoccurring dream. A nightmare. It's only a nightmare. That's what I told myself. But now I know. It wasn't a dream. Yanni Yogi wasn't the killer.
You mean the incident where your father died?
From the distance of the shot, it wasn't suicide either. Everything was clear as day. Except for that it was pitch black. The murderer, the criminal in DL6, it was me. Your Honor, I confess my guilt. I'm guilty for DL6, the statute of limitations of which ends today. The culprit is me.
Order! This is certainly unexpected. The defendant declared and is confessing to a different crime. A crime which the statute of limitations runs out today. I'm not really sure how I should deal with this. Bah! It's obvious. We hold a trial right here, right now. We tried this man for a crime of 15 years ago. I think that I would like to take a 5-minute recess. During this time, I will consider the appropriate course of action to take. Court is adjourned.
Okay. How about we do this part and then leave it at that?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. I'm sorry, Wright. I've just wasted all of your effort. Oh, don't worry about it, Edgeworth. Now we'll be able to arrest Von Karma. Actually, you know what?
What?
Hi, my phone ran out of space, so I'll just try to do the entire outro myself. Thanks for watching, Feral!